When making offers on distressed properties, most new wholesalers have no idea how to accurately calculate the cost of repairs and either guess or they spend way too much time trying to figure it out. If you underestimate the cost of repairs, you could overpay and contract a bad deal, which is a common mistake many wholesalers make. And if you overestimate the cost of repairs, your offer will be too low and you'll miss out on a lot of deals. The thing is, the only way to get the exact cost of repairs is to get bids from qualified contractors for labor and material. But there are two fundamental problems with getting bids from contractors. First, it's subjective because the items to fix and the quality of finishes can vary from investor to investor and from house to house. And two, getting bids is very time consuming. Have you ever spent hours getting bids and crunching all the numbers just to make an offer and the seller rejects it and you just wasted all that time? I know I have. That is so frustrating and will limit your ability to make enough offers to get enough deals to reach your goals. Instead, you need to be able to accurately calculate the cost of repairs on any deal so you can quickly run your buy formula and get to your offer price. And after doing thousands of deals over the past 20 years as a full-time wholesaler and flipper, I've developed a standardized process for calculating repairs and even created an algorithm that will compute the number instantly for you. On this video, I'm going to share this algorithm with you so you understand the numbers, but even better, I created an instant deal analyzer tool that does it for you literally in under 60 seconds. It's really cool and I'll show you how to get it for free, so keep watching. In order to use my cost of repairs algorithm, you need to know two things, and neither of them have to do with home remodeling. First is the square footage of the house. This is usually really easy to find on Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com. The second thing you need to know is the level of rehab that is needed to flip the property. In my experience, there are three basic levels of a rehab. Level 1 is what I call a light rehab, which is basically carpet and paint. A level 2 rehab is what I call average, or what I sometimes refer to as a cosmetic rehab. It includes carpet paint and updating the kitchen and baths. And the third level of rehab is what I call a heavy rehab, which is usually a complete gut job and typically includes changing the floor plan or everything just needs updated, including capital improvements such as roof, windows, and siding. And like I said, after doing thousands of projects, my experience has been that a rehab usually falls into one of those three levels: light, average, or heavy. So next, let's put some 2024 cost of repair numbers to this. But before I do, disclaimer, in no way is this foolproof. Labor and material costs can vary from market to market and depending on the grade of finishes, but by and large, these numbers are going to get you in the ballpark and keep you safe. So again, these numbers may fluctuate over time, but as of this recording, these are the numbers I'm using to estimate repairs in all of the markets I do deals. So what we're going to do now is we're going to factor in light, average, and heavy based on specific square footage ranges, because obviously the bigger the house, the more it costs to fix. So here they are. For homes under 1,500 square feet, a light carpet paint rehab costs $20,000. An average carpet paint kitchen bath rehab costs $45,000, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $80,000. For homes between 1,500 and 2,500 square feet, a light carpet paint rehab costs $27,500. An average carpet paint kitchen bath rehab costs $55,000, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $110,000. For homes 2,500 to 3,500 square feet, a light carpet paint rehab costs $41,250. An average carpet paint kitchen bath rehab costs $62,500, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $125,000. Now for homes 3,500 to 5,000 square feet, a light carpet paint rehab costs $50,000, an average carpet paint kitchen bath rehab costs $68,750, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $174,000. For homes over 5,500 square feet, a light carpet paint rehab costs $68,750. An average carpet paint kitchen bath rehab costs $123,750. And a heavy complete gut rehab costs $205,000. And like I said, most rehabs fall into one of these three levels, but you may have a deal that falls in between light and average or average and heavy. If that's the case, split the difference and you'll be fine. So feel free to use this as a reference, but let me show you a way to do this that is 10 times better and faster. I created an instant deal analyzer tool that already has these built-in formulas. All you do is put the square footage, choose if the rehab is light, average, or heavy, and my analyzer tool will automatically calculate the cost of repairs as well as your buy formula. Once it does, you can adjust the numbers if you'd like, and what's cool is you can save properties so you can refer back to them later so you don't lose your work or forget your analysis. And the best part is, I'll give this to you for free. Just go to mydealanalyzer.com. All I ask in return is you leave a comment and say, "Thanks, Jerry, you are a flipping genius." Now, when it comes to determining your offer price, the cost of repairs isn't the only thing you need to figure out. You also need to accurately determine the after repair value, or ARV. That's the price the home will sell for after the repairs are made. So next, I want you to watch a video where I explain the most accurate offer formula you'll ever need when going after deals to wholesale or flip. Watch that video now, and I'll see you on the next video.